All right, you guys. It's Dustin Pate. I'm back. Of course, I got on the 6K organics chain. Man, I love this damn thing. It's so heavy. It's like 40 grams. But anyways, we're not here to talk about that. You guys ask, man, and I fucking deliver. Like, that's what I'm here for. I want to help you guys grow, man. Each and every one of my motivational videos is just really to help you guys to just get your day going, man, and just to get over that hump and to like let go of excuses, man. And like, I really give a shit, you know what I mean? Like, I really want you to do well. I really want you to make it, you know what I mean? And that's why I'm pushing. And then, each one of my trainings, like I really try to give you all I got, you know what I mean? I really dive deep as I can, man, for you, man, for real. And like, I'm doing this for free, taking time out of my own day to sit down and make sure that I get out the content that you guys deserve and that you guys are asking me for. So without any, further ado, I'd like to just kind of dive straight down into what the subject of today is, and it will be TikTok. So a lot of people don't realize it, but TikTok's been around, son. It's been around for like, I'm not exactly sure on the amount of years, but I know it's been around for years. I can remember before it blew up, a couple of people I know doing like little lip singing and things like that on TikTok. Now, what people don't understand about TikTok today is that it's one of the like hugest fucking social media apps right now. Like, it's getting insane attention. There's insane amounts of people there, and they're growing, man. They're doing insane amounts of things. Like, one thing I would love to see from TikTok though, for sure, like just like Gary Vee said in one of his videos, like once they allow people to post pictures, it's a game changer, man, for real, because all the attention's there. Once we can put just pictures, it's over with. It's going to open up the doors to so many more people. So many more people will come in there, because like right now, there's a lot of people there. Don't get me wrong, but what am I trying to say? A lot of people are still scared of video because it's still so new or whatever. People are just, they're not comfortable. It's hard for them to get in front of the camera, right? Like me right now, it's easy for me because I love what I do. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not nervous, I'm not shaking. I mean, look, I'm clear, I'm calm. You know what I mean? Like, and I'm confident that what I'm teaching you is good. And see, a lot of people don't have that yet because I guess they haven't been in the field long enough or whatever. But let's dive down into some like growth hacks that I've discovered from TikTok, my actual self. So the number one thing that I would definitely tell you guys to do is, man, do not edit anything. Do not edit anything, man. TikTok is meant for those short little throughout the day shit that you wouldn't post on any other social media. Like, don't fuck TikTok up, guys. Do not fuck it up, please. Don't make it like Instagram and like Facebook, where everything has to be so perfect and nobody wants to be there. The reason everybody's on TikTok right now is because everybody's letting loose. Everybody's being who they really are. They're having fun. They're being kids again. You see what I mean? Like, people thought TikTok's just a kid's app. No, it's got grown people on there being kids again. You know what I mean? Like for real, millions of people on there every day watching it. Old ladies and shit learning them dances. Polices and shit being cool in the hood doing dances with little hood kids and shit. Like, TikTok's a fucking cool thing for us right now. And like, people are completely underestimating it, man. And one more great thing that you can do, man. Hashtag FYP. That means for you page. And what that does is it puts you on someone's For You page. So like, when you go on TikTok, your newsfeed is the For You page. So people that have hashtagged For You and la 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 la, or videos that are doing very well, they don't even have to have the hashtag For You, but it can help you. So, because I've actually showed up on people's For You page and my video wasn't doing even that well, but it was just because I did hashtag FYP, and it put me in their fucking newsfeed. You know what I mean? So boom. And I know that to be a fact because I was friends with the person on Facebook. That may be another reason. You see what I'm saying? Could have something to do with the algorithm locking in. They already know that we had engagement together some kind of a way through other social media. I'm not sure on that, but I do know that does work, and that's a big hit for you. Make sure to study hashtags, man. Follow hashtags. Follow what's trending. If you can find a way to put one of those trending dances or something like that into your promotion, like into what your business is. Like if you, like, say you're a daycare, right? Okay, you're a daycare. Every day at the daycare, you should be getting the little kids to like do a TikTok. Say like you're a mom at home and you sell makeup. That's what you do. Boom. You should be like getting your fucking kid to, oh, I got your makeup, baby. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Do some shit. Boom, 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 boom. 6K. Boom. TikTok right there. I just did one for you. You know what I'm saying? And it's that easy. I do shit like this. Done. You know what I'm saying? Like, for real, like, just little simple bullshit. It'll take you so far on TikTok. You really just have to kind of believe in yourself. Don't correct yourself. Put the bloopers. Like, people are going there for bloopers. So like if you're making a video, say you're making your YouTube video, you're making your Facebook video, you're making your Instagram post, you're doing some shit like that, macro the content, short clip, bloopers of the process, blah, 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 blah. That's your fucking TikTok. That's how you get your TikTok rolling. You use your hashtags, you stay consistent, you follow people back, you communicate back, and boom, you're built, you're locked in the algorithm. Before you know it, you're on the For You page every fucking day of your life. Everybody you know seeing you, and you got thousands and thousands of views. My first video I ever posted on TikTok got like 400 and something views, literally within an hour. And those of you guys that like do YouTube or Facebook or anything else, you guys know how crazy that is. That's a lot of attention, really fast, especially for someone at, like, I know a lot. Trust me, I know a lot, but I'm still at the bottom of the total pole, kind of, as far as like entrepreneurs go. Right now, today, as you're watching this, anyways, by the time, like, you should give me some time, baby. You know what I mean? Like, I'm taking this knowledge and I'm elevating, and that's all you got to do. Take what I just taught you, go to TikTok, and just act a fool. Have fun. Be a real person. Don't censor shit. Don't try to make shit perfect. Don't try to edit every fucking thing. Just be you. And I swear to God, it just works. It works that easy and that perfect. And every single time I post something, I can't get less than 100 views. So just know that at least 100 eyes are gonna see your business if you put it on TikTok. I promise you. I want each and every one of you to take 1 second out of your day right now and hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell. Please hit the notification bell. The reason why you gotta hit the notification bell on YouTube is so important, because if you just hit subscribe and you don't hit the little bell right there, if you do not hit that, then you won't get all my notifications. You won't get every motivational video I put out. You won't get every training I put out. You won't get all of this sauce for free, baby, and you know you need it. So let's get it. Let's keep going. CEO Dustin Pate. I love everybody. I'm out.